Alright guys, we're heading to Arayat, Pampanga. We're having a camping.
Camping day. Welcome to Nathan's mini vlog. And I'm with Bernard Nathaniels, the vlogger.
Inagawa na ako ng spill ng anak ko. Ayun, napupunta kami ng Arayat, Pampanga kasi in celebration ng birthday ni Giz and ni ating Mother Earth. Dapat maaga kaming bumiyahe. Kaso lang, tinanghali kami ng gising. And ito, medyo di pa maganda yung pakiramdam, sinisipon-sipon. Hopefully, maibsan lahat mamaya ng pangit na nararamdaman.
Guys, we're almost here already at the camping. So make sure to like and subscribe. So don't forget mo na mag-like and subscribe, okay?
Like and subscribe and follow and share.
So, gano'n tayo malayo, Papa?
Malayo tayo gaano?
Pampanga?
Pampanga. Nag-exit kami sa Mexico. Punta kami ng... Ano nga yun?
In 200 meters, turn left onto Buencesiso Balati Malinlang Road.
Santillana. Buti pa si Deadpool, pakapi-kapi na lang
A few moments later.
We are almost there. Medyo napaling lang kami ng daan kanina.
So, malapit na po kami dito sa camping.
Ayun na, Santillana.
So,
Santillani.
please comment and share.
A few moments later.
Sibuyas ba yan?
Ay, galing ba? Oh, dramatic.
Hi guys, welcome to Santillana.
A few moments later.
Action.
Welcome to Santol. What? Santol. To Santol. To Santol. Hi guys, welcome to Santillana. Papa, where's your tent, Papa?
Wala tayong tent. Diyan lang tayo mag-sleep sa labas.
Sa labas?
Oo, sa labas lang tayo mag-sleep.
Lalatag lang ng banig ni Mamo.
Halos kompleto yung ano nila dito. Okay, yung CR okay naman, maganda, malinis, may tubig, malakas yung pressure. Tapos meron din silang resto dito. Meron din silang mga cabin na di aircon. So choice mo kung gusto mong mag-tent, mag-cabin. Yan. So maganda dito kasi ano ng bundok eh. Ha? Yan, ano ng Arayat no? Tanong kita mo, tanong mo yung Arayat.
Kami ba tribal? Wait lang.
A few moments later.
Ano sabi mo? Sarap yung Coke? Sarap yung Coke?
Hindi na.
Hindi na. Ayaw niya. Ayun na may sunset na. Oh, ay, nako. Uwi ka na, Tan. Di ka pa nilalamig?
Hindi pa, it's warm.
What? You have new friends?
Oh, ito yung whirlpool pa eh.
Ha?
A whirlpool. 100% energy.
Wow. And then what? Hindi mo na kasi magsi 6 o'clock na eh. Kanina ka pa nagsiswimming.
Where are they na? Where's mama?
Andun, wait lang. Kunin ko yung tag.
A few moments later.
Ipo. Nico, it's Ipo.
Okay, iwan mo sa akin to. Pagbalik,
It's not evil.
taba nito. Parang ano na daw na.
Hindi. It's not evil.
Oh, it's 2 years ipo.
It's not Julia evil.
Ano yan?
It's not evil. Cat dog.
Okay guys, as of this moment, it's already 10 minutes before 9 o'clock ng gabi. Ito yung kaganapan dito. Maganda kasi dito. May tahimik. Wala mga squammy na campers. Nag-sound trip, naglalasing. Ay nakakainis yung mga ganyan eh. Kasi kaya ka nag-camping eh, para gusto mo ng peace eh. So, ito, kaganapan namin dito. Medyo pangit lang yung templo ng ilong ko kasi sinisipon ako. Kahapon pa to eh. Yan. Siguro gigising kami bukas siguro mga 5:30. Papalipad si Utol ng drone. Kaya bukas na lang ha. Okay, abay.
Sunday morning rain is falling. Dress and cover share some skin. Clouds are shrouding us in moments unforgettable. You twist to fit the mold that I'm in.
Luto ka gis.
But things just get so crazy, living like it's hard to do.
Hey no, good morning, good morning.
That someday you will lead me back to you. That someday you will lead me under you. Then maybe I need darkness. She is all I see. Come and rest your bones with me. Driving slow on Sunday morning. I'd never
Tan. Good morning. Hey Choy, good morning. Choy. Gising si Julieta. Julieta. Si Julieta nagugutom na. Gutom na si Julieta. Tag mo, ma. Good morning.
Morning.
Tan. Papalipad si Utol ng drone. Ano? Guys, ligpit na kami. Ligpitan time, kakatapos lang. Meron na iwan, no? Tapos maligo, tapos uwi na. Bukas may pasok na naman. Isang linggong stress na naman ulit. Lipitin yung 2 araw. Hey guys, we're going home. Tan. Okay, we're going home.
We're going home.
What can you say about the campsite?
I'll give it a solid 1,000 over 1,000.
Grabe naman, 1,000 over 1,000.
Make sure to like and subscribe to part 2.
Bye, Arayat. Look at the...
Yes. Mount Arayat. That's the Mount Arayat.